In a world where division and negativity can often feel overwhelming, we have an opportunity to make a difference by embracing more hope and more love. Together, we can achieve anything. And wherever the road takes you, we'll be there, riding shotgun. Introducing Roadr, the app you've always needed but didn't know existed. Until now. Our innovative platform, powered by Maya AI, combines cutting-edge navigation with an easy-to-use interface. Ensuring quick access to vital vehicle services with just a few taps. From roadside assistance and maintenance to car washes and everything in between, Roadr has you covered. With clear, upfront average pricing and a network of preferred vendors, you'll always know exactly what to pay and who to call. All your vehicle needs, one simple app. We're here. We're family. We're Roadr.